how to use VEO tree in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the Canva AI in this part. Once you click that, you will see this create a video clip. So make sure that you are using a pro version of Canva, because if you're not using it, unfortunately, you can't use it. So just click the create a video clip right there. Now, of course, what we're going to do is to just describe our idea. And of course, if the Canva or the video tree will bring it into life. So let's say, for example, a car flying in the air. So let's say, for example, that we want to create that video right there. So in this part, you can see the style, the aspect ratio, the duration, the framing, the lighting, and more. So you can just click it right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use cinematic. Then for the aspect ratio, we can choose this. And then for the duration, you can click the 8 seconds. Then for the framing, you can just choose the one that you like here. So I'm just going to click this top-down shot. And then for the lighting, we can just, of course, use the soft lighting right here. And then once you're now done with this, just click this submit button. And then once you do that, Canva will now automatically create the video for you. So we will have to wait about 2 minutes for it to be created. And then once it is done, you can just, of course, play the video right here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to save it, you can just click the download button right there. And then as you can see, we now have saved it into our PC. So that is basically it. That is how to use VEO tree in Canva.